If you spot the dreaded oil leak from the hydraulic belt tensioner and are changing it out, be prepared. While people will tell you that you can replace the belt tensioner and pulleys on your Cayenne 958S without removing anything, I would not even try it if you've never done it before. If this is your first time, you want to begin by removing the front and side engine panels. Next, remove the charged air or Y pipe. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. I removed the radiator fan shroud for photographic purposes, but it will give you a lot more room and it only takes a few minutes. Again, if you want to go that route, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for assistance with that task. With these components removed, you will have lots of room to work. We have also removed the coolant hoses for photographic purposes only. You do not need to remove these. If you end up losing track of where the belt goes, this image illustrates the path the belt takes. It should be on the underside of your hood as well for reference. 1. Goes over the coolant pump. 2. Over the pulley. 3. Around the AC compressor. 4. Over the power steering pump. 5. Around the vibration dampener. 6. Over the belt tensioner. 7. Over the pulley. And 8. Around the alternator. This image shows the belt tensioner pulley, red arrow, and the hydraulic tensioner, blue arrow. You now need to release the tension on the belt. Use a 30mm wrench on the pivot point on the mount, red arrow, or a T50 on the hydraulic tensioner and turn it clockwise. This will compress the hydraulic tensioner. This will release the tension on the belt and slip it off of the roller, blue arrow. Use a T50 torque and remove the lower bolt for the hydraulic tensioner. This is a very long bolt, and I don't see how you work this out without first removing the components that we did, red arrow. Use a T50 torque and remove the upper short bolt that holds the tensioner to the pivot. You can now remove and replace the hydraulic tensioner if that is the only part that needs replacement. Here you can see that not only is it leaking, but that the bushing is starting to go as well, indicated by the red arrow. If you are replacing the pivot, simply use a T50 torque and remove the single remaining bolt. Check the condition of the mounting surface to make sure everything is clean and flat before installation. Installation is the reverse of removal, and torque the bolts to 27 foot-pound. On the right side roller, use a flathead screwdriver and remove the cap, indicated by the red arrow. Use a 16mm socket and remove the single bolt holding the roller in place. Check the condition of the mounting surface to make sure everything is clean and flat before installation. Installation is the reverse of removal, and torque the bolt to 27 foot-pound. On the left side roller, use a flathead screwdriver and remove the cap. Then use a T50 torque and remove the single bolt, red arrow. Check the condition of the mounting surface to make sure everything is clean and flat before installation. Installation is the reverse of removal, and torque the bolt to 27 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.